Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, Big Sputal Blessing, man. I'm over here in Puerto Plata, Los Chorrillos. I think that's how you pronounce it. Looking at some property. This is a new development they have over here. It's right next to Torrealta. If you look, you can see you have an ocean view, and to the left, all the way over there, you have the cruise ships. But this video right here isn't about real estate. I'm just taking a break from what I was doing, trying to get me some money. You understand? All right, so look, real quick, man. Shout out to Flip Flops, man. You know, I only come to Sosua now if I'm working. Big speed work, man. You know, I got a real job, man. I got to pay these bills. You know, because I like to set my little money on fire. Not like y'all like to set y'all on fire. We all set our little money on fire a little different. All right, well, look. Shout out to Big Flip Flop for doing the Super Bowl. Shout out, you see I got my Eagles colors on. You know, go Eagles, you know. And if you haven't visited Sosua yet, and you looking for some travel debauchery, this is Travel Debauchery 101 with your boy, Big Spew. Now, if you're tired of your friends counseling on you and, you know, you got the group of 10, but when it's time to go to Super Bowl or time to go to the Halloween party, everybody counts on you. You got to go by yourself. So, fellas, if you have to travel by yourself, and as you should, I think Sosua is the best place for your first time solo travel. Hands down. You can make your first stop Flip Flops. Go see Mateo, the money man, get your money there, and then you're gonna have all the vets over there. You're gonna get a lot of free games. Just sit over there like Norm from Chills at the bar. Just don't sit in Flip Flop seat, all right? If you don't know who Flip Flop is, he like a little fat dude, a little shorter than me. He got a bad attitude, he barely smiles, and he you know, anyway, enough about him. This is about travel debauchery, a little fuckery. If you're trying to dabble in some fuckery, Sosua. Make Sosua your first trip. Hold on. That might be some money calling. Hold on. That might be some money calling. Fast Freddy, what up, baby? I'm good. Okay, I'll slide over there. I'm around the corner to Torrealta. All right, appreciate it, bro. Yeah. All right, that was some money calling. It was about somebody needs some money from me because, you know, when you got these projects going on, you're going to be spending a lot of money. But enough of that. I'm talking, man, shout out to all my guys, man, from New York. Shout out to my boy in Buffalo. Big Dre I ran into at Newark Airport. Man, I flew from Japan to Newark. We was in the airport. Shout out to Big C there, a bunch of the homies. With all my people, man, from all my people from Jersey, Philly, Atlanta, everybody come down. I just come down to the Super Bowl and come to Greg events and fellowship and see my people, man. Shout out to my boy Big Shern, man. Shout out to my boy Big Shern. Shern, what's up, baby? You're still in town, get at me. If it's your first trip out the country, or it's your first travel debauchery. Like, I don't know if you identify as a passport, bro. I don't. I'm just an international guy that travel, you know. An international man of mystery. But I would say, come to Sosua for your first time, right? You can go over there to Wings and Waffles. You can go to the spot. It's a bunch of different places in town where you can get with other experienced travelers, get some free game, and guys will point you in the right direction, man. You got, you know, if you're a dirtbag traveler, get with my man TMI, man. I just seen TMI over there in Pearl Marina. Hey, nigga, you need to lose some weight, bro. You getting big as hell, man. You look like a bus driver that just be in Church's Chicken, man, drive-through, man. Lay off that chicken, man. That grease gonna kill you, big dog. You know. Anyway, if you like a dirtbag traveler like that, you know, get with somebody like that. They'll tell you good places to stay, you know, because everybody got their own budget, man. You might want, you know, you might be looking for a hostel, man. You might want to be, and shout out to everybody that's doing fundraisers to fund they damn trips. I ain't hating on that. I respect the game. If your subscribers want to help you get there and they want to live through you, by all means, keep sending them boys that bread. Matter of fact, Cash App twice a week. Put it on auto. But anyway, make sure you got some funds in that thing to cover that auto draft though. It's a couple different kind of travelers, you know. Now I want to say, you know, if you a married man, you know, you don't want to be caught in the spotlight. Right over here, right over there, past that cruise ship and Coast and Bar. There's a place called Blackbeard's. Once you leave that POP airport, you know, and I don't want to give too much game and shit, you know what I'm saying, because your old lady, your wife and shit might be looking, but, you know, don't tell nobody you're going to Sosua, man. Tell me you're going to Puerto Plata. Tell me you're going to Cabarete or something. But if you don't want to see, you want to keep a low profile, go right over there to Blackbeard's, get you, you know, call my boy Frankie. I'm going to put Frankie's number down here. He'll pick you up from the airport. He'll drop you off in Blackbeard's, and you go over to have an amazing time, whether it's 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or 7 days. You're going to have a blast. If you know, if you single, ready to mingle, and you got a couple dollars, and not the kind that jingle, that's change, and you trying to change to do something different. You tired of going to Miami, you tired of going to Jamaica, you know, you want to get into some fuckery. Tell them Big Spew sent you. Go to Sosua and tell them Big Spew sent you. They don't know who Big Spew is. Tell them Beau Rakes, the 60-year-old nigga that's 6'2". That's Big Spew. Anyway, I got to go because I got to get back to the money, man. Getting a video from me these days is gonna be like getting a Hot 16 from Jay-Z, man. I don't really do these videos no more because, you know, I'm doing other things, man. I can't mess up my security clearance out here dicking off with y'all boys, man. But I love you, man. You know, when you see me in the streets, man, you're gonna see me twice a year for sure. You're gonna see me at Halloween weekend. You're gonna see me at the sports Super Bowl. I'm gonna tell you a secret though. I don't watch sports, man. Don't ask me about no goddamn sports. I just want this to be funny. Where you finna go? Don't ask me about no goddamn sports. And secondly, don't ask me about what no cat costs. Nigga, I ain't got no pussy, I ain't no pimp. I gave up pimping, man. I'm just a player, man. I'm a deacon, man, at the church. I just take up the collection plate, man. You know, shit, I'm you know how like y'all boys be on here, you know, asking for donations? Everybody gotta pay their tithes to the deacon, man. I feel you. How the audio, man, how the video look, man. I'm shooting with my DJI Pocket 3 with the mic mini, man. You know, new project, next to Dose Secreto and Playa Chiquita. They already got 2 other big developments going on. I got a boutique loft style spot. Real quick, my cheapest one is gonna be $150. You get it pre-sale, I give it to you for $125. Now, I already got one up top already sold, and I already got one at the bottom sold. So I only got 4 lots left. 4 lots. Boy, only got 4 lots left, man. So if you want to get in, pre-construction, you want to invest that money, holler at me. You know, and then you can resell it, man. I get it to you for $200. You can sell it for $250. Make you a quick 50,000, man. Hey, all right, man. It's your boy Big Spew. I'm about to be out, man. I'm in Puerto Plata right now, around the corner from my spot, checking out this new property right here, and you know, that's all I do now, man. I ain't really got time to make a lot of videos, man. You know, I gotta go. Y'all fight the battle, stay black, and keep it gangster, man. Hey, look, man, whatever you do, just do it safely, man. And hey, look, man, check it out real quick, man. I was sitting out in front of Ramona's the other night, man. Shout out to Ramona's, man. And a dude was driving this white Honda. If you was driving that white Honda CR-V and you was talking to the chica, wasn't looking what you was doing, you was drunk as a skunk or even high as a giraffe ass, and you ran into that goddamn van. And I immediately left the bar. And I walked over there to you and I said, I knocked on the window, you must have been a New York nigga, because you was real confident and you was real like, fuck you. And I was like, hey nigga, run. Nigga, why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? You better get the fuck on. And look, everybody, all the gringos say, man, get the fuck out of here. That nigga, they surrounded that nigga, caught him. The Dominicans almost whooped his ass. About 36 motor control drivers sped off behind that nigga as he went, made that left at Ramona's, going down the goddamn strip. Man, look, man. I know y'all American boys, y'all New Yorkers, y'all niggas, can't nobody tell you that, man. Look, you got money like that, you come over here to Dallas, to the box, you got enough money to get you a driver too, man. Don't be over here drunk driving, tearing these folks shit up and getting yourself locked up and getting yourself in trouble, man. Come on, man. Be safe, man. Hey, look, man, another thing, bro. Hey, man, come a little closer, bro. Come a little closer. Put your ear to the goddamn screen, man. Turn the TV up, bro. Hold on, shit getting rained on. Hold on. Put the shit up to the screen, bro. Ain't none of these hoes different, man. White women, Costa Rican women, Belizean women, bitches in Kuwait, bitches from Atlanta, Dominican women. Just cause y'all in DR, they ain't no better than another woman. Don't come over here eating cat that's working. You can't eat no working lady cat. Goddamn, stop raw dogging, man. Come on, man. You getting the hoes pregnant going back home, man. Come on, man. Stop doing that shit, man. You know, be safe, whatever you do. Don't drink and drive. Hey, look, and don't pull the rub out. It's your boy. It's your aunt, man. Big Spew. I'm out, man. I'm gonna go get some money, man. I gotta go, man. That boy be easy, man.